Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best home and lifestyle upgrades you never knew you needed. In today's video, we're talking about the best sunflower wall decals you can find, the AOWDIAO Sunflower Peel and Stick Wall Decals. These are not just wall stickers. They are a vibrant burst of joy and warmth that transform your space with minimal effort. Let's dive right in. The AOWDIAO Sunflower Wall Decals bring the timeless charm of sunflowers indoors with a design that's both cheerful and lifelike. With vivid yellow hues and graceful butterflies, these decals instantly lift the mood of any room. Whether it's your bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, or living room, they add a natural, botanical vibe that feels both fresh and welcoming. What makes them stand out from others in the market? First, their ease of use. These are true peel and stick decals. There's no glue, no mess, no tools required. All you need is a smooth, clean surface. Just peel off the backing and press them on. The adhesive is strong enough to keep them in place but gentle enough to remove without damaging your walls or leaving any residue. This makes them a fantastic choice even for renters or for seasonal decorating. Each package includes 27 individual pieces, giving you the freedom to personalize your arrangement. You can cluster them together to create a bold sunflower garden, or spread them across multiple walls to carry a theme throughout a space. The irregular shapes of the stickers add to their natural, organic look, avoiding that cookie-cutter feel many decals fall into. Another impressive aspect is their durability. These decals are made from high-quality self-adhesive vinyl, a material known for its long-lasting properties. They're fade-resistant, which means the bright sunflower yellows and the detailed butterfly designs stay looking fresh and vivid over time. Even with exposure to sunlight in a well-lit room, the colors hold strong, maintaining the impact of the original design. And let's talk size. Each sheet measures approximately 11.8 by 11.5 inches, with enough variety in the individual pieces to cover a decent portion of wall space. Whether you're decorating a small nook, accenting a gallery wall, or designing a playful corner in a child's room, you've got plenty of flexibility. We also love the versatility in how you can apply them. Beyond walls, these decals adhere well to furniture, mirrors, doors, and even bumpers. Imagine adding a sunny touch to your headboard, a closet door, or the backsplash behind your kitchen sink. The possibilities go well beyond just flat white walls. So, who is this perfect for? If you're someone who loves nature-inspired decor, if you're decorating a nursery or a sunny kitchen, or if you just want to breathe some life into a dull corner of your home, these sunflower wall decals are a wonderful, low-commitment solution. And because they're so easy to apply and remove, you can switch things up as the seasons change or as your style evolves. That wraps up today's review on the AOWDIAO Sunflower Peel and Stick Wall Decals. Our pick for the best sunflower wall decor you can get your hands on right now. It's affordable, effortless to apply, and full of personality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Have you tried this product or something similar? We'd love to hear how you styled it. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.